And here you have the kitchen. With the stoves, microwave, and these plates and pots and glasses. You have a dishwasher and some stuff here, and you have some for coffee and tea, cutting board, and a fridge. And you have some more, some bowls, garbage bin, and you even have that for cleaning. You have the bathroom. That's actually nice. If you have your kids here, you can just pull it up and you can watch them take a shower, take a bath, make sure they don't make too much trouble. Hey guys, toiletry, and the toilet, and there's some funky lights, and this is the room. 2 twin beds. A lot of cupboard space though, and since it's a spa hotel, you have bathrobes and slippers. A lot of space. Oh, that's a cupboard. It's nice, isn't it? And extra slippers. And I didn't know what that was, but I figured it out. And it's a cupboard. You can put your stuff in it, jacket. So that was the room, and shortly we'll follow with the area and what you can do over here, and what's free and what isn't, how much the shuttle costs, and everything like that. See you guys in a bit. You just saw the room. Now we're gonna walk around the area near Relais Spa Hotel, so you can see what's available and what's around here. See you guys in a bit. First up, guys, over here you have free shuttle service, which I actually didn't know, but when we arrived they said you had free shuttle, and these are the cars or the minibuses that go to Disney. All you have to do is go and tell them that you want to leave, and they'll get a car ready for you and you can go. So it's pretty easy, and you get a phone number, and that phone number you just call it and they'll come and pick you up at Disney. And normally, for example, if the park closes at 2200, then the car is available until 2300, so 11 o'clock. But let's go around and see what's here in the neighborhood. Yeah. As I said, this is a spa hotel, so these are the prices for the spa. And you have everything. You have bathrobes and everything in the room. So you can go downstairs, you can do whatever you want, but the massage part is not free, but they have a swimming pool and everything, and because of privacy issues I'm not gonna go downstairs. This is the restaurant part and bar. That's inside. I can show you the prices of the bar and the menus. and you have basically everything nearby, whatever you wish. You have the train station literally right over there, and you have Baldarop shopping center as well nearby. So well, I give you guys a full walkthrough now so you can see what's in the neighborhood. And the hotel is really nice. The staff are amazing over here. And the biggest critic there is for a hotel, that's this woman. And you can ask her what she thinks. What do you think about the hotel,
I
Mom?
loved it. I love it. I want to come again here.
You want to come again?
Yeah. It's really clean.
So,
Comfortable.
if my mom approves it, it's approved. And you're not supposed to do this, but yeah. Oh, it's green. But as I said, everything is nearby the hotel. So you have restaurants there, there, and you have a bar, a pub right over there, and
Pizza slice.
you have a pastry shop right there and a pizza shop. And that's the thing, you have the train station right there. You can take the train, but there's no reason. But if you want to go to Paris, you can take the train from right there. And you have a small shopping area right over there. It's just a shop where you can buy water and stuff like that, and they're open till 11 o'clock. So that's always nice if you're arriving late. But that's the train station. And you have some other small businesses over here outside. And that's the bar I was just mentioning. And if you need some money and you want to go to an ATM, right over there, there's an ATM. So if you're in need of cash while staying here. So you have basically everything in a walking distance. And here's another bar, by the way. This is Hotel Relais. It's right there. And you have the bar downstairs. And you have the center right over there. It's not that far away. No. As you can see, it's like 5 to 6 minutes walk if you go slow. And you have a free shuttle bus service that goes from here, from right over there, but that's only for the people who are staying at Adagio or at High Park or at Hotel Relais, but they don't ask for anything and they don't say anything if you jump on it. But that's pretty much the area over here and what you can do nearby. And you can of course go to Disney. So, but that's the cafe bar. But that's everything, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and do remember to give it a thumbs up, and do remember to subscribe, and don't forget, leave a comment in the comment section, and if you guys want to know anything, just ask. See you guys. Bye.